Now, at the first sign of cough, you can actually make fresh pineapple juice and take. Those are the first symptom. It contains rare bromelain with strong anti-inflammatory effect that helps dissolve mucus in the lungs and take out undigested proteins, which sometimes makes our condition worse. I have actually tested this remedy. It works, especially if you notice that there is a sign of cough. If it's a long-standing cough, you may need to go for examination or for other investigations. But once you get the first symptom, that initial tickling in the throat, or maybe you ate something that have the ability to trigger, because some foods are triggers. Like if you eat corn, maybe you've eaten some cold food like ice water, some other things that are your own specific triggers. Because some food are triggers for some people, but are not triggers for others. Some people, too much peanut is a trigger for cough. Some is cold, it's a trigger. Several other things could be triggers. But whatever be your trigger, at the first sign of a cough, you can actually get fresh pineapple, as you can see in this image, and take it either juiced, or you just take some amount. Remember to take moderately, especially if you are managing diabetes or other ailments. Too much sugar, there is sugar in fresh pineapple, and all fruits that contains sugar should be taken cautiously, because when you take in large amount, you get a negative result. So if you want to get that positive result as indicated here, you must be moderate about it. Fresh pineapple juice. Look at your pineapple very well and ensure that it's not diseased or it's having any blemish. Don't forget to share and to follow me, because more will be coming your way through this channel. See you again.